Welcome to Garup Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn to set apps compatibility mode in Windows 11 or 10. On Windows 11 10s, most of the software created for Windows 7 and Windows 8 works well, but you might have some older apps that don't work well with the new operating system or at all. By changing their compatibility mode settings, you can try to fix any problems you have when running these older desktop programs on Windows 11 10s. Windows has a built-in tool called Program Compatibility Troubleshooter that can fix your compatibility issues automatically. If the troubleshooter cannot solve the problem, you can manually run an app in compatibility mode, which uses settings from an earlier version of Windows to run the app. You can automatically search the troubleshooter for apps that might have problems with Windows 11 or 10 or run the troubleshooter manually on a particular app. How to use Troubleshooter for Windows Program Compatibility. Click on the Start button and type Run Programs made for previous versions of Windows. Click on the Run Programs made for previous versions of Windows from the available results to open the Run Programs made for previous versions of Windows. Click on the Next button, and the troubleshooter will try to detect potential issues with your apps. Choose an app with problems in the next window, and then press the Next button. Select from the troubleshooting options. Try Recommended Setting or the Troubleshooting Program. If you want to use the recommended settings, the troubleshooter will use a previous version of Windows to test the software so that you can see if the problem is solved. If you want to troubleshoot the app, the troubleshooter will ask you which issues you face. The troubleshooter will give tests and suggestions to fix the problem, such as checking the app's display settings, depending on your selection. Click on the appropriate option to test the program, and then click the Next button. For each app you have compatibility issues with, you'll have to run the troubleshooter. How to run an app in compatibility mode. Alternatively, to adjust its compatibility mode settings, you can access the app's assets. You can force an app to use settings from an earlier version of Windows with compatibility mode, helpful if you know the app is running well in, say, Windows 7 or Windows XP. Monitor and color settings for the app can also be changed using compatibility mode. So, right-click the app and then choose Properties. Choose the Compatibility tab, then check the box next to run this program in compatibility mode 4. Pick the Windows version that you want to use in the drop-down box for your app settings. Click on the Apply and then OK. Now, your unique program should work in compatibility mode. That's it.